Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, I am going to discuss about an important AI template in an AI tool where it will give you a perfect literature review for your research paper writing. Especially when you are going to write a research paper, if you want a fast literature review, this one will be very helpful for you. Just to give you the list of references, it will generate that is literature review for you, and then you can do it for free also. That is very important. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tools and what are the important template available in this AI tool. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online MATLAB workshop on power converters, modeling, design and applications. So in this workshop, we are going to design LNC parameters of buck and boost converter, and we are going to make open loop simulation and closed loop simulation with that converters. And then we are going to tune it, that is in closed loop simulation, we are going to tune it with the PID controller. And then we are going to incorporate it with PV and wind as input, and then we are going to connect it with EV charging station. So these are the step-by-step procedure we are going to discuss in this workshop. The important thing in this workshop is to how the converters use will be in future arena. So this will be a better option for you to learn more about different types of converters and the design calculation on how to use it for renewable energy sources. Integration. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register your online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss is that LMS Research Support. So go to LMS Research Support website. So in this you will find different AI templates. So here you can see these are the different AI templates. So in this video we are going to discuss about two important templates, literature review and reference to content. So in this first we are going to explore this literature review template. So you can just click on this literature review template and you can add any 5 references. So this is the first AI template what we are going to discuss. So this is called literature review. So here you will be getting a dashboard like this here. So in this you have to add 5 different reference list. So go on to Google Scholar and you can generate 5 different reference lists. So I am going to ask any, that is optimization algorithm for MPPT. So like that I am going to give. So here you can see that different types of algorithms for that is optimization algorithm for MPPT is generated. So you can copy that one. So go to site. So copy that API format. So go to that literature review template. So after that what you can do is go to the second references. Go to the second references. This is the second reference paper. So copy that again and you can paste here. So do the same for all the make a list of 5 references using this search. So you can copy and paste all the references. So after that what you have to do is just to click on literature review. So that will give you a detailed literature review with the proper citation also. So here I have copied 4 references and then last one. So this is the 5th references. So copy and paste all the 5 references and then click literature review. So it will take several seconds to generate the content. So those who are making an instant literature review, so you can make use of this literature review template to generate the content. So here you can see that the first literature review is generated for that references list we have given. So here you can see that first one is author Villages Mayor. So ETAL 2021 conducted a review on the use of artificial neural networks in maximum power point tracking algorithm for optimizing photovoltaic power system. The main findings of this review include the effectiveness of artificial neural network in improving the performance of MPPT algorithm. So like that it will generate the important findings and key points of that paper, and also it will give limitations associated with that particular paper. So like that you can do it, it will generate for the second reference, third reference, fourth reference, fifth reference. So like that you can generate a literature review instantly using this literature review template. This is one of the best AI chatbot and AI template where you can generate a literature review. Among in market there are many literature review generating tool is available, so but this will generate a best reference for that is best literature review for you by analyzing that particular references. So after that, the next literature review template is that reference to content. Just click on that reference to content template. So in this, what I am going to do is I am going to do the same, copy the list of references, go to that reference to content literature review. So here you can copy that reference to content literature review, that is 5 references. Please add 5 references, and then what you can do is you can give any style you want for citation. So and then click generate. So this is a template which is used to generate literature review instantly. So here you can see that this is how a very crisp literature review will be generated using this reference to content. So those who are writing conference paper, you can use this reference to content literature review. The important thing in this reference to content literature review is that the 5 references must be interlinked with each other. That is very important. So other than that, you can use this literature review. So whatever the reference you are giving, it will generate a better content for you. So this is how you can generate literature review using this AI template. So the important thing is that you can avail this literature review template for free.